Hi guys, so I'm buying plants today. I want to get some plants in maybe a pot, I'm not sure, for my place. And so this is behind me is the nursery. So I'm going to like this nursery here in Bawe. So I'm taking you with me. So let's see what they have here. Okay, so they have all kind of little plants. I don't know the names of plants, guys, but I know I want to get like a palm. I want to get a snake plant for sure. So like this snake plant here, which is not looking too good, but it looks like that one will be okay. Kind of looks like it's dying now, but it still looks all right. Balance, 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 balance. Yeah, I see. It's okay. It's okay. What kind of plant is this? Is it a flower or a tree?
Yeah, it has flowers.
It flowers.
The flowers.
Ah, those are the flowers. Okay.
This one is tree.
That's what?
It's tree. It don't have flowers.
Ah, okay. Does it get tall? It gets tall?
Yes. No, it's not tall like this.
Oh, that's good though. Yeah, that's good. How much is this? How much are they? These ones?
I sell a 1 for 5 seed, but I know this.
How much?
1 for 5 seed, but I know they sell this.
Oh, you're not selling this?
Yes.
Oh, do you have more though?
I have for the
So are any of these for sale or no? No.
This place, the next inside.
Okay, but so this side is where I look.
Yes.
Okay, well I want some of those. On the other side, I'm gonna want 2 of those.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Hmm? Oh, no. I want to pass here because this is where the plants are. Thank you. I don't think I want that one. Okay, so it's super muddy because it was like stupid crazy rainy yesterday. Like it was really bad yesterday. The rain was insane. I'm gonna buy a few plants. So house plants aren't really my thing, but you know, they clean the air, they make your house look pretty. Sometimes you just need some good old house plants. I think I might get some of these too. These are sharp though. I don't like shit that's gonna cut my fingers. So those ones I'm gonna get there. This one here, I like the color on these. So I'm probably gonna get 2 of these and 2 of the other ones. So I came out here looking for a snake plant. This is nice. So I like the color of this. I don't know what kind of plant this is. This bamboo? Palm tree? I'm gonna have to ask what that is because I don't know. I see one over there that I want for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna just point out to him which ones I want, grab them, get a car and go. Some of these are like fruit trees, I think. I have to ask what they are. I like this nursery because the guy lets me look around. He doesn't follow me like a weirdo and make me feel uncomfortable. So, and then when I have questions, he pops up and answers them for me, which I like as well. I don't like plants that hurt my fingers. So guys, if you know about plants, you should tell me what I should be looking for. I definitely want some plants in my place for sure. Like, this is like a non-option. What I really want is some freaking lemongrass. Woo, that is a thorny tree. I'm not messing with that shit. But they have a lot of palms that are already, you know, kind of tall. You can just pot them and nurse them back to life, basically. This is a nice one. Here's a little snake plant. All right, so I'm gonna get this little one here. I'm gonna have to call a car. So guys, I'm trying to decide on what plants I want. So you don't hear a lot of talking. You just see my camera going back and forth because I'm looking at different plants. And I'm trying to figure out, one, what they are. Because I researched some plants that I wanted to get coming here. Then when you see them all together and you're not like a huge plant person, you get all confused and whatnot. Like I am right now. So I'm trying to figure out what were the plants that I was supposed to get, because I hella forgot what they were called. But definitely a snake plant. So I'm going to get the young man to help me find the plants that I want so I can buy them. I really like the color of the leaves on this one. I'm gonna get that one. Hopefully it's not poisonous and whatnot. Like, I'm just assuming they won't sell you poisonous plants in this bitch. I don't know. Some of these look like herbs, like, but you know, I'm not gonna lie, like I don't really grow herbs, so for me, I don't know what herbs look like in the wild. Look at how big that gets. That's nice and bright.